Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. Today I am in a Mk2 Audi TT. This is like a 2009 reg roughly. The old head unit wasn't really cutting the mustard. He was quite happy with the Bose audio system, so he wanted to retain all of that, wanted to retain his buttons on the steering wheel, but wanted more modern technology to replace this antiquated system that's obviously resides in his Audi dashboard. He wanted things like, you know, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, Bluetooth, the basics really. So what we've gone and done, we've installed a Kenwood model, which I'll show you right now. Let me just turn it on. This is the DMX8021 model, extremely popular, probably one of our best selling units in the shop at the moment. It superseded a great model called the 8020, which is phenomenal. Let me just turn off the heated for you. Now this one is got the nice, super responsive Kenwood capacitive touchscreen, so it's extremely responsive to the touch. If I go into actually CarPlay where I can actually slide the screen, there we go. Now it's automatically connected to my phone wirelessly. I've got no leads plugged into my phone, so this unit's got wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. Also comes with a USB-C charger as well, so you get fast charging on this unit. We can go into DAB as well, so it's now got DAB. Now this car would never have DAB, so there's no aerial to pick up DAB in this car. So what we've done is we've fitted a DAB aerial on the glass there. Let me zoom in so you can see a close-up of that. It's quite subtle, so in your peripheral vision it's not too obvious. You will see it to begin with, but then it soon becomes a thing of the past. You've got a microphone up here, which is quite nicely positioned out of the way. That picks up obviously your phone calls. This unit can obviously expand and have other options on it, like for example we could put a reverse camera on this which automatically selects when you put it in reverse. Quite a nice little feature. And also it's got a HDMI input, so if you wanted a Amazon Fire Stick or some kind of other device that utilises a HDMI input, Apple TV, Chromecast, even a PlayStation, then yes, we could actually utilise that port for that connection, which is quite nice. You still get FM radio and the wireless in mirroring the top left. What that means is if you have an Android phone, you can actually wirelessly screen mirror your Android phone onto the screen. For example, like Netflix, if you were sat parked up for a period of time, you could actually watch Netflix on this little screen here as well. As I mentioned earlier, all your factory steering wheel controls work on this Audi TT. But yeah, seamless installation. We've used a nice flush fit fascia. There's a new style fascia for the TT, which we think looks even better than the old one. But yeah, that's about it. If you've got any questions on the TT for a solution, whether it's this unit or another model in the Kenwood range, then don't forget to give us a shout. It's 3-year warranty on this unit because we register it because we're a Premier Centre. It's a nice little touch, got peace of mind for 3 years. Otherwise, yeah, any questions, drop us a comment, get in contact on info@johncleese.com. But for now, it's Connor from John Cleese signing off. See you later.